Hello everyone, I am Dr. Soumya. I did my MSc and PhD in child development and I have got 13 plus years experience in the field of early childhood education. I am a teacher trainer, storyteller and director of Spurti Pre-Primary Educational Academy, Hyderabad. Today I am here to present a story. Are you ready for the story? Yes? Yes. This story is about a monkey family. Mama monkey, Papa monkey, and a baby monkey. This baby monkey's name is Bittu. This Bittu is a naughty monkey, just like you. It never sits at one place. It just jumps from here and there and it runs all around. This family was staying near to a forest. Bittu, the naughty monkey, has a wish. Bittu always want to go to the forest and see how a forest looks like, and it just wants to explore the forest. And Bittu would always ask its parents to take him to the forest, but Bittu's parents would say, this is not the right time. You're too young, Bittu. You have to grown up and you should be strong enough to safeguard yourself. There are a lot of wild animals out there. It is dangerous for you. So, we will take you once you are grown up. This is not the right time, they would tell to Bittu. One day, Bittu's parents had to go out on some work and they said, Bittu, stay home, stay safe, don't go anywhere. And yes, Bittu was at home. Oh, Bittu has got something here to eat. Monkey's favorite food, what it is? Yes, bananas. Mama and Papa have given him some bananas and Bittu has some toys to play. Bittu was all alone. It played, enjoyed for some time. After some time, Bittu started getting bored and Bittu thought what to do. Idea. I think this is the best time for me to go to the forest. When Mama and Papa are here, they don't allow me. I think this is the best time to go to the forest and I really want to see how it looks like, what's going on in the jungle. I just wanted to see. It was so excited and without any second thought, it just went out of the house and started climbing up the tree. And Bittu started jumping over the trees. It jumped from one tree to another tree, one tree to another tree, and started jumping over the trees. After some time, Bittu got tired and it started observing the surroundings. Looks like I'm in the middle of the forest and everywhere it looks just similar, all the tall trees. And when Bittu turned back, it did not find its way, and suddenly Bittu started hearing a lot of animal sounds. Bittu got scared. It heard a lot of animal sounds, and Bittu thought, probably, yes, this is not the right place for me. I think I have to go back. And everywhere it looks similar, and it lost its way. And Bittu thought, what to do now? Okay, if I can find out someone, probably I can ask them to help me out. And then Bittu climbed down the tree and started walking in the forest. And yes, it started walking in the forest. You can see Bittu is so sad and not excited anymore, and it is scared in the forest. And when Bittu started walking, it found someone there. Who is that? Can you guess who it is? Bittu started walking in the forest and it found a animal which is the strongest animal in the forest. Can you guess who it is? It is the strongest animal and it has a trunk. Yes, you are right. Bittu found an elephant there. It's a baby elephant. Bittu found a baby elephant there. And Bittu asked him, "How, my dear friend? Can you please help me? I lost my way. I lost my home. Can you please help me?" And this baby elephant said, "Oh no, I don't know your home. I'm so sorry." And then Bittu continued its walk. And then after some time again Bittu found someone. "Oh look, who is that?" "Oh, it's a cub. It's a baby tiger." Bittu asked him, "I lost my way. I lost my home. Can you please help me?" And this cub said, "Oh no, I don't know your house. Can I call my mom?" And then Bittu said, "No, don't call your mom. Probably she's going to eat me. I will find." And Bittu continued its walk. And it's already in the evening. Bittu thought, okay, if I can find out someone, probably I can ask. Bittu was thinking like that, and there is someone there. Yes, you can see there is someone out there. And Bittu heard a sound. Bittu just turned back and, "Oh, what are you doing here?" It asked the snake. And the snake said, "Who are you? I have never seen you here. Who are you, by the way?" And then Bittu said, "I lost my way. I lost my home. Can you please help me out?" And the snake said, "I'm sorry, my friend. I don't know your house." And Bittu continued its walk. After a while, Bittu found someone. Can you guess who is that? Yes, Bittu found someone with black and white stripes. Yes, it is the zebra. It is a baby zebra. Bittu asked him, "I lost my way. I lost my home. Can you please help me out?" And the zebra said, "No, I have never been out of this jungle. I'm sorry, I don't know." "Okay, fine, let me find out." Bittu continued its walk. After some time, again, Bittu found someone out there. "Who is that? Let us see." Yes, it's a baby bear. Bittu asked him, "I lost my way. I lost my home. Can you please help me out?" Then the bear said, "I'm sorry. I don't know your house." Okay, Bittu was really worried and scared because it's already dark in the evening and it saw some animals were observing him behind the bushes and they started chasing Bittu. Bittu started running and they started running behind him. Oh my god, Bittu was really scared. It was so scared and after some time, Bittu closed its eyes and started screaming. It was really crying and it started screaming, "Mommy, Papa, can you please come? I can't stay here. Please help me. Please help me." It started crying. And then when it opened its eyes, it saw its parents there. Thank God. Bittu was so happy, just jumped over them and hugged them and said, "Thank God you're here. I'm so sorry. I will never do this again. I will never go out of the house without informing you. I would never come." And Bittu just hugged its parents and it was so happy. And finally, they three went back their home happily. This is the story. And if you really like the story, I want you to write a title in the comment box. Okay.